Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Japanese egg salad sandwiches. We'll explore the unique ingredients that give this classic its signature taste. You'll learn about the special mayonnaise and the incredibly soft bread that make this sandwich a beloved treat. Get ready to create a simple, yet incredibly satisfying meal that's perfect for any time of day. Achieving the right egg consistency is key. First, boil your eggs for about 10 to 12 minutes to ensure a firm, fully cooked yolk. Once done, quickly plunge them into an ice bath. This stops the cooking process and makes peeling much easier. Carefully peel the cooled eggs, then mash them with a fork or chop them finely, depending on your preferred texture. Now for the star of the show, the creamy filling. In a bowl, combine your mashed eggs with 3 generous tablespoons of Kewpie mayonnaise. This special mayonnaise is crucial for the authentic flavor. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything gently until it's perfectly combined and wonderfully creamy. Finally, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Take 2 slices of soft shokupan bread and carefully trim off the crusts for that classic look. Spread a generous, even layer of your delicious egg salad onto 1 slice. Place the second slice of bread on top, pressing down gently. For presentation, cut the sandwich diagonally into 2 or 3 neat triangles. Enjoy your homemade Japanese egg salad sandwich.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.